Okay, so first of all, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, very good morning. Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, fantastic, full of wins to record this video because I think from last 2 to 3 days I was not able to record any videos from for my channel due to my
Okay.
office work. So yeah, very
Mm-hmm.
excited to record this video. Mm,
Okay, yes. So yeah,
okay.
as we are meeting for the very first time, right? So I would love to know something about yourself.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tipu and I come from Uttar Pradesh. And talking about my professional background, so I have around 2 years of experience as a software engineer.
Mm-hmm.
And along with this, I enjoy meeting new people and obviously, like specifically, I always love to meet like individuals from different backgrounds because I believe like when we meet with different backgrounds people, then we get to learn a lot of things from those people.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from this, recently I have started one YouTube channel called Speak English with Deepu, which is completely dedicated to English.
Mm-hmm.
And these days I am uploading English conversational videos and shorts videos. So yeah, that's pretty much about me. And I know a bit about you.
Yeah, sure, of course. So as you know, my name is Mohammad Tariqul Islam and I'm from Bangladesh. And I have completed my
Okay.
master's in political science. And now I'm working on my communication skills. And I have a small YouTube channel also, in which I upload
Hmm.
conversational videos. And I love to meet with uncharted people who are from different countries, different cultures. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty much about me.
Oh, that's nice. So you are from
Hmm.
Bangladesh. That's
Yes, I'm
nice
from
for me.
Bangladesh.
Yeah,
Mhm.
definitely I'm going to learn a lot of things from you. Okay. Okay, so let's
Let's
start
see.
with your because I'm very, like eager or I'm very curious to know about yourself. So currently what you are doing, like you are running a YouTube channel full time or you are doing something else? Like
No, it's not full time because currently
hmm.
I'm preparing for myself for government exams. Okay.
Oh,
So, and
government.
besides that, I'm
Hmm.
like making videos and content because
Hmm.
of my fluency. Okay. Because if you didn't practice, then it not gonna be help you to become fluent in English. So that's why I'm practicing.
Yes, definitely. Hmm.
And one more thing is it's the fear of camera. Okay. Because every people
Hmm.
have
Yes,
that
yes,
fear,
that's
okay, to face the camera or face the people. So yeah, that's why I'm here and I'm trying to improve myself. That is how.
Yes, practice is very important in English as well.
Mm-hmm.
Even these days, from last 4 to 5 days, I'm not practicing, but I'm feeling very sluggish to speak. So yeah, that's the reason.
Mm-hmm.
Practice is very important. Like when we speak very, like consistently every day, then we start feeling very confident in front of camera, in front of people. So yeah, I agree with your
Mm-hmm.
point. Okay,
Yes.
so you are preparing for the government exams. So like which kinds of like exams you are preparing?
Yeah, it's a teaching profession, teaching type of exams.
Teaching.
Hmm. Yes,
Okay. Okay, so
because
I
I
think
have
you
the
love.
desire to become a teacher in
Hmm,
future. Okay, so that's why I'm preparing these exams.
okay, that's nice. That means you enjoy like teaching people, right? And you
Mm-hmm.
love to
Yes,
like
yes.
teach them. So which subject like you are very interested to teach?
Like I have two interested subject, which one is English and one more is math. Okay, but if I
Okay.
get the chance to buy the teaching profession, okay, so any subject, okay, then I want to be a
Hmm.
teacher. Those who which subjects doesn't matter. Okay, I can say because teaching profession, if you get a job by your teaching
Hmm.
profession, okay, then you will
Yes.
like do anything for your students. Okay, so you need to get that
Yes,
job
definitely.
firstly, then you can do anything. There is no matter what
Hmm.
subject you are from.
Yes, definitely. Once we get a job, then after that we can define our needs, like where currently we
Mm-hmm.
are lying and what
Yes.
all things we have to do. Yes, that's so true. And I think first thing is to for like important is to get a job first, and then
Mm-hmm.
after that
Yes,
trying to figure out like what's going wrong and what's going right. Yeah.
because in
Okay,
your
so
yeah, because in your
yes, yes, go
life,
ahead.
okay, whatever you are, okay, student
Hmm.
has no matter of you are whatever you are, because when you get a job by a teacher, okay, when you be a teacher, then they will know that yeah, he is a teacher, he can do everything, I can say. So it's all of the students says like that. But in your life, then whatever you have, okay, they don't care of yourself. But when if you are a
Yes.
teacher, then they will learn from anything from you. Okay.
Yes, definitely. I think in India as well, I'm telling you, like
Mm-hmm.
teacher as a very, like inspiration guy for students. Like because we
Mm-hmm.
also had teachers, whom I think taught a lot of things to us, right? And now today we are doing something, like only due to their like hard work or their guidance. So yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
think teachers always play you can say a very huge role in student careers.
Yes.
Hmm. Yes, so that's I think very good profession that you have uh, chosen. So yeah, definitely great work, and even you are doing right now. So tell me, like,
Mm-hmm.
how did you started your English journey? I'm very like eager to know about your journey, like, and why you have started. Like, you already had like have interest in math, right? So why you are now choosing English?
Okay. Because then we don't know about our luck. Okay, whatever
Yes.
happen in our future. Okay, so
Hmm.
we should have the second option in our hand, right?
Oh,
Because we
that's
don't know
nice.
what happened in the
Yes.
next days. Okay, so that's why it's
Hmm.
my second option. Okay, if I
Hmm.
have no anything in my future, then I will
Hmm.
continue it just because of that. And also I had the desire, okay, from my
Hmm.
childhood. I want to become fluent in English, but I don't have the that kind of a space. Okay, whenever whichever
Hmm.
I improve myself. But
Okay.
whenever I see some people who are very fluent in English, that time I feel jealous. Okay, how did they
Okay.
grab this fluency? So that is how
Yes.
that I think it could be the reason that it motivated me to learn this language.
Hmm.
And yeah, I am learning this language. It's been 10 months, I can say, about 1 year. And
Hmm.
yes, that is how I'm trying to improve myself.
Okay, that's so true. Okay, and I agree with your point. Sometimes we jealous with by seeing the people, like
Yes,
if they
yes.
are speaking very good English, so definitely we sometimes jealous. It's very normal. I think it's very like human tendency to
Mhm.
jealous. Yes, that's so true. Okay, so like from where like you learn English? Like is it just from like your social media or like your you have taken some course for
No,
English?
it's just social media. It's from YouTube, okay,
Social media.
for conversational videos, cartoons, or podcast, something like that.
Okay, understood.
Mhm.
So, like, what kind of strategy you are using these days to improve your communication skills?
Okay. So in these days, I have started which two strategy, which is one is shadowing practice and one is storytelling.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I took one or two lines of stories from the book. Then I will
Mm-hmm.
try to narrate this story. Okay. With 15 or
Okay.
20 sentences or one pages. Okay. So that is how now I'm trying to improve myself. Or one more thing is like conversational videos from some of YouTubers who are very
Hmm.
well-known
Yes.
person in YouTube channel, I can say.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how I improve myself.
Okay, understood. So you are doing shadowing practice as well. So, like, what
Mhm,
do you think? Like, what is the importance and what is the major role shadowing practice in our communication skills?
mhm, mhm. Okay, so because it's our second language, right? It is not our mother tongue.
Yes.
So that is how we
Yes.
have lots of MTI issues in our sentences, in our words. So whenever you practice shadowing, okay, then you can see a lot of changes on yourself because uh, like mother tongue issues. Okay, so some of YouTube, some of I have met some of Indian person, okay, who are from different
Mm-hmm.
states. States. Okay, so they use whenever they use s, it's called
Mm-hmm.
English. They use English. Okay,
Yes.
so sometimes
Yes.
it's
Yes.
listen that awkward, like isn't it?
Mm.
English or English?
Yes.
Okay,
Uh,
so if you want to
English.
improve that particular topic, then you need to shadowing practice because if you
Mm,
follow two, three persons, okay,
Hmm.
you like, then you can easily grab their pronunciation or their accent, I can say. Okay, so it is
Hmm.
the only it is the only thing that you have to need
Hmm.
shadowing practice, then you can improve your
Hmm.
MTI
Hmm.
issues or pronunciation or accent, I
Hmm.
can say.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes, understood. And I completely agree with your points because you can say shadowing make us very it help us to make perfection, right? If you are
Yes.
like if you are practicing English daily on a daily basis, but now you want to be very kind of consistent or very want to become very perfect in that language, then we can do the shadowing. And also it
Hmm.
helps to improve your pronunciation skills as well, because
Hmm.
sometimes we struggle
Of course.
to pronunciate some difficult English words. So yeah, it helps us to improve that one as well.
Yes.
Okay. So as you can see, yeah, you are speaking very good English. So yeah, that's
Thank you.
admirable.
But I'm
In
tired.
in
Yeah, okay.
yeah, still in yeah in only because as you earlier mentioned, it's been just 10 months you have started. So yeah, definitely
Hmm.
in 10 months you will be able to improve your pronunciation skills as well.
Hello.